Hello everyone. Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to manage the authentication of a signer in BoldSign. Authentication refers to verifying and confirming the signer's identity before granting access to sign the documents. BoldSign offers 3 authentication methods, such as email OTP, access code, and SMS OTP. Let's assume I am a project developer and I need to share a confidential project proposal with 3 key stakeholders: the manager, a client, and a legal consultant. I click the Create New button, choose the Create New document, and start preparing the document. I browse the required file on the document preparation page. And proceed to the Add Recipients section. I add the 3 recipients' details. First, I add the manager's details and enable the email OTP authentication by clicking the Show Settings. Enabling the email OTP authentication ensures that the signer can only access the document after entering the OTP that was sent to the email. Next, I add the client's details and enable the access code authentication. In this method, I need to specify an access code manually and share it with the recipient to access and sign the document. I now add the details to the last recipient, the legal consultant, and enable the SMS OTP authentication. After enabling this, I enter the recipient's contact number. Thus, when the document is sent, an SMS OTP will also be sent to the specified contact number. The recipient should enter the OTP to access the document for signing. I scroll down the document to check if every detail is in order and then click the Next button. On the next page, I add the signature field for each recipient. And click the Send button. Thus, I have successfully created the signature request with authentication enabled and sent it out for signing. Next, let's see how the signer accesses the authenticated document. Navigating to the manager's mailbox, I access the signature request email. Clicking the Review and Sign button opens the signing page, and I enter the OTP code sent to the manager's email. Then clicking the Verify button takes me directly to the document. I sign the document and complete it. You can also change or remove the authentication for signers in the created document. To do this, navigate to the BoldSign application. Then expand the documents and move to My Documents. Click the created document to open its overview page and scroll down to the recipient's details section. A list of all the recipients is displayed. The first recipient, the manager, has already completed the signing process. I want to change the legal consultant's authentication type. So, I hover on that recipient and click the context menu. To change to a new authentication type, I must first remove the previous authentication by clicking the Remove Authentication option. To add another type of authentication, I again click the context menu and click the Authentication option. Since the previous authentication was an SMS OTP, I now select the access code authentication. See, the code is generated automatically. If required, I can generate my own code manually and share it with the recipient. That's all about managing the authentication of the signers. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.